We are going to the Oogie Boogie Halloween party next week at Disneyland, and it has been so hard to come up with a costume, like a theme costume for the boys and I. They have been obsessed with pirates, so I'm like, okay, what could we do around pirates? Peter Pan just goes pirates, but then I was like, Pirates of the Caribbean is one of my favorite movies. I feel like it would be really fun to do Elizabeth Swann, one of the boys do Captain Jack Sparrow, and then one just be a pirate. There are so many good, iconic outfits that Elizabeth Swann has in the Pirates of the Caribbean movies, but I decided to go with the like white nightgown, the corset. So I'm gonna show you all the stuff I got. Okay, first is this dress I found on Amazon, kind of like her white nightgown. I tried really hard to find a white corset. This was the closest I got, but I think it's gonna be perfect. I wanted to add a little to it so it looks more like you can tell I'm a pirate. This belt. Found a toy sword. I'm just gonna put it in the loop. Kind of pirate vibes. And then I have obviously the coin necklace. So I'll wear that and finish the costume with my hat, my pirate hat. The boys wore pirate costumes. It was so hot they didn't keep them on for the whole night, but it was still fun.
Ahoy, mateys! We've got our pirates.
Oh, get it!